Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. So I always wanted a cool gaming setup without spending too much money. So in this setup, everything I got is very budget friendly and easy to get from online. I'll put down the link in the description. So with every setup, let's talk about the laptop. So the laptop I'm using is asus TUF FX505DT, which is really good and budget friendly laptop with some great specs, which is more than enough for gaming and editing. This laptop is really good and affordable. Let's talk about the keyboard and mouse. I went with wired mouse and wired keyboard just because there is no room for latency when you're playing games and you don't need to worry about charging everything all the time. The zero RGB mechanical keyboard is budget friendly. I just got it from AliExpress just under 25 euros. I got to say, I'm very impressed with the performance and the build quality. The mouse I'm using is iMice T90 with customizable buttons. My only complaint with the mouse are the RGB lights, which are not customizable. For the decoration purposes, I got a fake plant from AliExpress and it's pretty good. If you want to put a real plant, definitely not a bad idea. So I got this inexpensive laptop stand to keep the laptop screen at eye level. This thing got inbuilt fan for some extra cooling, and let's be honest, it gives your laptop that nice look. So this RGB mousepad cover for keyboard and mouse is really cool and got some amazing RGB lights. You can get this from online for 20 euros. So the speakers I use are wireless MJ portable Bluetooth speakers, but I only use them when I listen to music. For gaming, it's better to use a headset rather than speakers. I use my Sennheiser headset for gaming. It's been a long time I had this headset. I have to say I've never been disappointed with my headsets. So for the headset stand, I'm using aluminium alloy universal stand, which is really not that important. For this price I had to get one, and let's be honest, it just looks good. So this USB 2.0 hub is really important for wire management, and I keep it at the back of my laptop for the LED glow light and to hide some of the wires. Without the LED light, your setup will look incomplete. This setup was made with budget-friendly items. Comment down below if you have any questions. So that was pretty much it guys. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.